we have been asked to talk to you about signs that your manifestation is coming. However, for our advanced friends, we're going to top the signs and tell you how to speed up your manifestations coming into materialization. Because one secret we're going to tell you is that if there's only the now moment and there is no future and no past, your manifestation better not be coming. If it is coming today and it stays coming, it will stay coming tomorrow and the day after. So we want to talk about your manifestation and speeding it up now, here, today. Number one, we want you to recognize that you don't need to read signs outside of yourself that your manifestation is coming, because you should know, especially if you are a little more advanced or more advanced still, then you should know, of course, your manifestation is coming, always. That's not the real question, as we said. The question is, how do we get it to speed up? Because sometimes it is coming, and you can sort of sense that it is out there, and it stays out there. So let's change that. The second thing we want you to recognize, so that you are looking at this from a more advanced perspective, is that you can only manifest yourself. And you can say expressions of yourself if you like. This means that if something feels foreign to you, not only does it feel far away, but you don't feel you deserve it, or it doesn't quite fit, like it makes you a little uncomfortable, then those are signs you can say your manifestation is not coming, because it is not who you are. So you want to work with your energy through meditation, through flowing your energy, through any means, raising your frequency, so that you are more of a match, so that you are more of your manifestation. When you are more advanced, as we said, you don't have to ask, is it coming? You monitor yourself and you say, who am I? Let us say you want to manifest a job. Perhaps it is a new job, a new position, that sort of thing. You say, am I this new position? You don't have to know what the new position is, what it's going to look like, where it is going to be. All you need is to connect with the sense of yourself when you have it. And if you let yourself imagine, if you let yourself work a little magic of relaxing into it, that is one of our magic wands for you. Relax into that new job. You don't have to figure out what it looks like around you, but do be there with your eyes closed if you like. Sense it, feel it, relax into it. Make sure it doesn't make you squirm. It doesn't make you uncomfortable. Make sure to relax into it. And you will find that when it is who you are, you will know that your manifestation is materializing. We could say it's around the corner if you like, but you aren't looking for signs anymore, because you know you can sense it, feel it, and you know it is you. Look at the things that you manifest easily. Perhaps getting together with a friend, perhaps shopping for a gift. Whatever it is that you manifest easily, there is no doubt it just is who you are. Make sure that the manifestation you are currently working with is just who you are, and then you'll just be looking to your point of power yourself. And you'll just be saying, how much more do I need to speed it up? How much more do I need to be what I am becoming? Until next time, my friends.